Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a kit that I keep in my car for fuses that you need, and how I pull them. I don't really like the little plastic thing that they give you, and so I've got here a container that has the most needed fuses that my car uses, which in my case is a 7.5 amp, 10 amp, 15 amp, and a 20 amp. And I keep them in this bottle because it stores them nice and you don't get them all over, and it's a very small container, and I found that works great for me. Now this bottle, I get various different kind, but they're from United States Plastic Corp out of Lima, Ohio. This particular one is a 2-ounce or 60 milliliter wide mouth polypropylene economy bottle with a 28 millimeter cap, and it is their item number 70041, and the cost each is $2.19. Now I also keep these two bent handle needle nose pliers made by Easy Red, and they are the part number KWP2, and you can get them both on Amazon for $19.99 in a set like this. On the left you see a 6-inch short needle nose, and on the right is the 8-inch long needle nose. Now these are spring loaded and they have thin heads. As you can see here, the profile is very narrow, and being spring loaded is nice because you don't have to worry about opening them up. And they have rubberized grips with built-in hand notches that you see here. And the good thing about these is they're small enough to keep in your glove box or in your center console, which is where I keep them, in my center console. You never know when you're going to need a fuse somewhere, and it's always good to have one on hand with you at all times. Now right now I am looking at the fuses that in my car are just below the dash to the immediate left side of the vehicle, and I won't be able to show it on while I'm holding this camera, but that's why I have the 6 and the 8, because sometimes the shorter one works better than the long one, and so I just keep one of each on hand.